Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are feeling great. My name is Shade. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this ogbono soup mixed with okra. Guys, this soup was really delicious. So if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. So guys, here is the ogbono that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'll be using some beef meat. I'll be using some cow foot and some cow skin, which is bomo. I'll be needing some shaki. I made this shaki myself. If you know you don't eat shaki because of the smell, guys, don't worry. Sooner or later, I'll be uploading a video to show you how I make this shaki. Trust me out, guys. You are going to love it. I'm going to be using some smoked chicken. This smoked chicken is really delicious inside your ogbono soup. It just adds this nice aroma to your soup. I'll be needing some stockfish. I'm going to be using some dry fish. Here are the okra that I'm going to be using as well. I have some crayfish, dry pepper, dawa, seasoning and salt to taste. And some palm oil. So now it's time for us to start the cooking process. In my pot, I've added the beef and the bomo and the cow foot. So now I'm going to be adding the stockfish. To season the meat, I'll be adding some Scotch bonnet. This is optional. If you don't like, don't add it. I'll add half onions to give it that flavor. But later I'm going to take the onions away. I'll add some seasoning. I'm going to be adding some part of the crayfish. Then I'll make sure I stir everything together. I'm not going to be adding any water now. I'll lower the heat a little bit. Then I'll cover the pot. I'll allow the meat to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So guys, as you can see, the meat have released its own juice. Cooking your meat like this will add more flavor to the meat. So now I'm going to be adding water to the level of the meat. I'm going to stir everything together. Then I will cover it. I will allow it to cook. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And remember to set the notification bell icon to all. That will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new video. And please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That will help to promote this channel. This is just the only way you have to support this channel. I'll be very happy if you do that. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, I've prepared all my ingredients. This is really helpful. You want to make sure you prepare everything ahead. You don't want to be cooking with one hand and be cutting your other ingredients with the other hand. It makes it so stressful. But in this way, it's so easy. I've been cooking the beef meat for the past 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take it away from the pot because I don't want the beef meat to be too soft. I'll be adding it back into the soup later. I'll set it aside for later. So now I'm going to take the onions away. Then I will add the chicken. I'm going to be adding some water. I'll add the pepper, the crayfish, the dawa. I will add the shaki. I'll make sure I stir everything together properly. I'm going to be adding some salt. I'm just adding a little amount of salt because I don't like too much salt. Then I'll cover it. I will allow it to cook. In my pot, as you can see, I'm just going to pour in the ogbono into the oil. I'll stir everything together. This will help to avoid any lumps inside the soup. So guys, it's time for me to add the ogbono. Then I'll make sure I stir everything together properly. I'm going to be adding a little amount of water. Then I'll stir everything together. I'll allow it to cook just for a few minutes. Then I will add the beef meat that I set aside before. I'll be adding the fish as well. Make sure you stir your soup time to time so that it will not get burnt at the bottom. At this point, I'm going to be adding the okra. Then I will stir everything together. You don't want to overcook your okra. You just want to cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then your soup is done. So guys, if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and set that notification bell icon to all, because that will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new video. This recipe was really delicious. You can use it to eat eba, fufu, amala. I'm just going to test it and see if everything is okay. So guys, as you can see for yourself, the soup is done and is ready to be served. I would love to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.